So the final topic is not related to tech. Come on, we know this. Last two episodes have been majorly
knowing both
tech.
of us, knowing both of us, we might just link to tech. But
Yeah. Rakshita, this is for you, I guess. I don't know. वो हमेशा हमारा नाम लेती है कैसा productivity का बात करते हैं. So we are gonna talk about productivity and how to stay focused and stuff वगैरह. If you don't like this,
welcome to the Ranveer show, guys.
uh,
Oh my god.
So yeah, so we're gonna talk about how we stay focused. I guess I don't know. I am working पूरा lockdown. I took a 1 week break उसके हिसाब से.
Dude, you have no clue. But for the first almost 2 months of the lockdown, I had near to zero productivity. Okay, because yeah, legit, I could not because the lockdown destroyed my sleep cycle. Okay, 2 days into the lockdown, I was sleeping at 6 a.m. No, I was sleeping at 3 a.m. waking up at 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yeah. I was sleeping at 3 a.m. waking up at least, but I was not waking up before 1 p.m. 2 days into the
Okay.
lockdown. So, and that continued until after Ramzan, because Ramzan, जैसे रमजान आया मैं 3 बजे सो नहीं सकता. I can't
हाँ,
sleep at
because तेरे को
3.
खाना खाना है.
Exactly, I have to eat, and then I used to sleep at 6 o'clock and wake up at something crazy. Yeah, so I used to sleep the whole day, and that
हाँ वही ना मतलब you didn't feel much ऐसा रमजान का ना.
Exactly.
Eid, sorry.
हाँ, exactly. And and I'm a morning person. I really like to wake up early. Okay, and waking up at 4 o'clock did not put me in a very productive mood at all.
Okay.
So I have only been productive since the end of Ramzan, which is like what 3 weeks.
I don't know. मेरा productivity skyrocketed जैसे ये start हुआ.
That's really nice. That's
Because okay, so I guess the people who know me, they would know कि how much of a ये college is time consumer ऐसा मेरा.
Oh, I hate college.
I love college. I love going to college. I love meeting friends. I love the cultural environment. I love ये. No, trust me. This is not ये कि I
Wow.
hate college. This is
That's
I
good
love
for-
college.
that's
It's
good
just
for
that it takes a lot of time. Come on. But I had पूरा दिन मेरे पास. And what I did in 2 hours, now I have 24 to do them. ऐसे.
Exactly. It's really nice.
Starting में it was like making ऐसा पूरा complete modules of an app एक sitting में and stuff वगैरह ऐसे. But surely it went down काफ़ी ज़्यादा because I am a social person काफ़ी ज़्यादा and I like to meet people and they are ऐसा refreshment मेरा. And I was put in this jail basically. And so
Right.
it went down and then we
Right.
lost a couple of competitions वगैरह, so that was a turn off. So the first thing I would say is if you're feeling ऐसा कि you have done पहले थोड़ा बहुत and you're just not in a mood to do anything, don't do it. Take a
Don't do it, that's
week's
right.
break. I took a week's break and it solved everything. ऐसा मेरा sleep schedule ठीक हो गया and सब ठीक हो गया.
The thing with
And-
productivity, the word productivity is overused, and
Yeah.
and the thing is, we put pressure on ourselves, and that is the exact reason that stops us. From
हाँ,
being
exactly.
productive. It's very ironic.
I know. And so instead of I was reading this book Atomic Habits करके and it made a lot of sense तभी. Willpower won't take you off ऐसा distance ज़्यादा. Willpower is सबका, and even the strongest person का willpower is very low compared to what changing your environment can do. So basically here I have some थोड़ा notes कि how you should stay focused. पहले तो you should be separated. If you are distracted by your phone or something, keep it थोड़ा दूर. Not ऐसा दूसरे रूम में, keep it थोड़ा
No,
दूर because
I need to keep some charge. Speaking of
Yeah.
the phone.
did it turn off?
No, it did not. I luckily opened WhatsApp, and WhatsApp पे दिखाता है if my phone is on low battery. Luckily, I opened it.
So basically my point is
To
if you
keep
have
the
a
phone in another
distraction,
room. हाँ,
keep it दूर. Create friction between your distraction and you.
that's right.
And then you should map your task. I'm not saying calendar बनाओ each hour का. Just write कि आज मैं ये करेगा. आज मेरे को I have to write this article, I have to edit this picture, I have to do this. Just सा थोड़ा vaguely. And then basically the game is create inconvenience with your distraction and make the process that you want to achieve something as smooth as possible.
Yeah, that's right.
And I guess
it's a bit of
okay, so I'll complete and then I'll give it to you. So create, the last thing is create ऐसा end time कि 6 बज गया तो मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला उसका. I know that sounds counterproductive.
It's not at
but
all.
your mind won't be racing कि ये खत्म होने के बाद ही मैं जा पाऊंगा and that will just create more anxiety and you won't do it in the end.
Also, if you put like a time limit to your task, you think with your subconscious brain, and your entire, if you put, so that is why exams have a time limit, right?
Yeah,
that is one of the reasons. That is one of the reasons that exams have a time limit. So you think more efficiently if you have a time limit. If you think कि यार मुझे 6 बजे से पहले complete करना है, then there is a lot of chance that most of your work will be completed by 16.
Yeah, and there is a saying, work expands the time you give it, वैसा.
Oh dude, yeah. If you think कि वो मेरे पास बहुत time है, खत्म हो जाएगा, नहीं
होने वाला. It will.
Humans are big procrastinators. We are professional procrastinators.
And we are wired to do it. It's not like हम ऐसा बने हैं.
Exactly.
अभी
you can't help it. You can't. That's right. Your evolution does not push you to edit videos. It pushes you to rest and eat. And
and that is the next important thing. You have to sleep well. Anytime you sleep, anytime you wake up, give yourself a good 6 to 8 hours as well.
100% you have to sleep. I can't stress this enough.
And once you have ऐसा set timetable ना कि मैं इधर सोऊंगा ही, रात को नींद आने लगता है अपने आप. It happened with me ऐसा कि if it's 11:30 12 मेरे को अपने आप नींद आ जाता है वगैरह. I just complete जो करना है थोड़ा बहुत लिखने, writing task and yeah. And the next thing is workspace. So
very important.
have a clean workspace which is good looking, because you have to come there every day.
But then again, that is also subjective. Some people like it messy, some people don't mind messy. So maybe you and me, I like my workspace really clean.
Even I like my workspace really clean. The people who like it messy, it's just that they don't care. It's not that मैं जानबूझ के clean है तो messy कर दूंगा वैसा.
वैसा नहीं.
I haven't met anyone that वैसा कुछ होगा.
वैसा मत करो. But I don't know. Maybe it could be. Maybe they don't mind. Maybe they don't mind. Maybe the productivity is not affected
my
by
personal tips is
same.
I watch a couple of channels कि जब भी मैं ऐसा unproductive रहता है, just watch there. And they'll give me some tips as a to-do list वगैरह का. And so there is this app Notion करके. I think I'm just advertising it as a right and left. Everyone should use it. It is a good-looking app and it can be whatever you want. It can be a to-do list, tracker, journal, anything. And it is just a good-looking app वैसा एकदम ज़्यादा. So you should use that, and you should do stuff that will please you ऐसा. A good-looking workspace will please you. A good-looking to-do list will please you ऐसा. So you should keep rewards ऐसे for yourself कि ये task complete हो गया है.
And yeah, exactly. Also, when you're delegating tasks, what I did for the first few days of the lockdown was I wrote 3 tasks that I had to complete on a notepad.
Yeah, exactly.
3 main tasks. And I killed almost all of them. Okay, I completed almost all of them. So that was what helped me be productive. Okay, after that, there was too much to write. Suddenly, I got a lot of work, I'm still completing a lot of work, but I'm doing it without the to-do list. So I didn't train myself, but that could help you guys. You could train yourself to make a mental to-do list. You could start by writing it down, and then as you complete this to-do list, make the tasks easy and
small ऐसा modules में basically.
Yeah, exactly. In small chunks. समझा? You can't bite off more than you can chew, essentially.
Yeah, and it's like this. Your to-do list item shouldn't be write a book. It should be write a page or write a ये छोटू सा ऐसा. मतलब smallest possible task that can be done उस time period.
Exactly. It has to be as specific as possible. You can't say. You can't say do a workout today. You have to be like do 10 burpees, 10 crunches from 7 to 7:30. That's specific. That's a to-do list. That's a
To-do
goal.
list.
Exactly.
हाँ. And then keep we are talking about workspace abhi to, so keep ऐसा healthy snacks या water around.
Oh,
You shouldn't be going somewhere. हाँ, exactly. Even I have a bottle around it there. So you shouldn't be going to your kitchen to get water or yeah, because that will just distract you. Because kitchen से इधर आने तक there is a TV, there is a dining table, there are 3 other people living there who are trying to talk to you.
there's more food in
So
the fridge.
yeah, exactly. And keep the place isolated where you work ऐसा कि away from all the distractions, not just
As much as
TV,
possible.
phone and yeah, just people and stuff, and just talk to people कि इस time पे to this time disturb मत करो, and then I'm working or something.
You should do that.
And all this will only work if you want to do the work. If you don't want to do it, none of this is gonna work anything. So
First, you have to make up your
find
mind.
something that you like doing, because none of us like doing assignments and we don't have to do them anymore. So maybe you can use a lot of this time ऐसा काफी अच्छे से.
And
I mean,
if
you could
don't,
be
that's
whatever
okay.
you want इसके बाद, you know that, right? Like, I could be, there are, I mean, what? Sorry, that came out थोड़ा wrong ऐसा. You could do whatever you want ऐसे. You can learn any skill you want अभी ऐसा.
Fair enough.
I mean,
If
our
you
college
want
is
to.
giving out as a Coursera ka any course. I mean, a lot of course, most of the
You know-
courses. Yes,
You know what happened? So I got the Coursera link. Okay, it was just
हाँ.
announced कि Coursera कर रहा है, ठीक है? So I was
हाँ.
like, okay, so I signed up for like 7 courses at once, ठीक है? Because
Ah,
I'm extra.
I know आ गया बड़ा.
Because I'm extra that way. Okay, जो मेरे को पसंद है sign up कर लिया. And then
Silence.
a mail comes later on saying कि every student should sign up for a maximum of 3 courses because there is a limit, institutional level limit है कि तुम लोग कितना courses कर सकते हो. So if because of me someone else doesn't get courses, I'm sorry guys. नहीं, पर पर्सन का 3 वो लोग ने unofficial limit रखा है. Officially institute level पे कुछ limit है, but then again most of the people are not gonna sign up for it. Let's
They
be-
told us कि 3 ये ऐसे उन्होंने एक सेट दिया था of 6 course, 5 courses and 1 specialization, and they said that इनमें से 3 कोई भी करना compulsory है.
अबे यार,
And then
but
तुम्हें बाद में
what-
जितना करना है करो.
what they give you is relevant to your educational stream. If you want to do something
I know.
outside of it, you'll have to do it on your separately.
हाँ, but मेरा तो वही है ना. I want to do
हाँ,
CS
that's
anyway.
good.
So
That's good.
I know people who are doing business here.
Nice.
So that's nice. Also, that a friend of mine is in my team ऐसा, and he's doing all that business वाला. So I'm really glad ऐसा कि, but he is like मेरे को coding में कम interest है वगैरह. So yeah, I mean, come on, coding is not ऐसा कि end game. So you could follow any stream you want ऐसा. This is काफी early
That's right.
to judge कि क्या कर.
Also, we are in no way encouraging you to be productive. We're just being like, if you want to be productive, this is how to make maximum of it.
Yeah.
This is not a race. The lockdown is not a race to be productive. It's a
Exactly.
lockdown. Okay, you have to
Survival is your
survive.
main race फिलहाल.
Yeah,
तो.
that's exactly. ऐसा
Is-
कुछ नहीं. If you want to
Is
sit
that
at
जिसको
home-
चाहिए उसके लिए है ये
जिसको
basically.
चाहिए उसके लिए. If you want to
हाँ.
watch Netflix all day, if you want to watch Netflix, watch Dark.
If you want to watch YouTube, watch the Unengineered podcast. We have a lot of episodes.
Oh my god.